how an airship is built. Let's take a look at how an airship is constructed. Like any aerial vehicle, an airship has a hull, engines, a passenger cabin, tail assembly, and a payload section. But what truly sets it apart from other aircraft? Compare it to an aeroplane. Its lift is generated by the wings. This requires significant speed, which is maintained by constantly burning fuel. Compare it to a helicopter. Here, all thrust is generated by the main rotor, which also leads to constant fuel consumption. In an airship, by contrast, the lift is built in. It is static. It doesn't disappear or get used up. The lifting gas, helium, is lighter than air. It is contained within the hull and provides upward force. This is Archimedes' principle at work. This force is contained within helium cells crafted from multi-layer composite materials that are strong, lightweight, and reliable. For safety, the entire volume of lifting gas is distributed across multiple cells. This protects the airship from an instantaneous loss of lift. A rupture in several cells will not critically affect the flight. The next crucial element is the rigid hull. It bears all external loads and distributes internal forces. The hull also serves an aerodynamic function. Each model is designed for a specific speed. Airships are most efficient at speeds of 100 to 150 km per hour. They are perfectly suited for electric motors with slow-turning propellers, powered by eco-friendly and durable microturbines with heat exchangers, an excellently efficient combination. The tail assembly stabilizes the airship's course, allows for maneuvering with minimal energy expenditure, and even generates additional lift during flight. As with any modern vehicle, everything in an airship is automated. All operating systems are controlled by a central computer. The capabilities of new airships are easy to grasp if you compare a smartphone to a mechanical calculator from the last century. A single remote operator can easily control an entire fleet of unmanned cargo drones on routes across the globe. This isn't the logistics of the future, this is the present. It's happening here and now.